Hi, my name is Candace. Today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. I'm going to first tell you the ingredients. We need a bowl, a spoon, white glue, borax, water, hand soap, shaving cream if you want to make your slime soft, and food coloring, and measuring cup. Let's stir it in. Let's stir it in. Into slime. And you can also might see that it's when you're starting to play with it, you can see that it's sticking onto you, and then it will collect its own slime back to its own slime together.